Hi, I'm Rachael, I'm an apprentice here at Munro Wilson and I started in August 2024. When I was in high school, they do the Schools Academy course and I'd done that, so it was 2 days a week, and then my lecturer decided that he wanted me to go in full time, so I did. That was back in 2019, and then COVID hit and no one was taking on apprentices, so I left. I was a flight attendant for a while and then decided, I wanted to go back and do it, and luckily Munro Wilson were taken on. I prefer the wiring up and the electrical side of it, and seeing the end result of turning it on. We had a job doing solar panels a few weeks ago and the customer was so thrilled when they all turned on, and it was just a bit of pride and just seeing how happy it made them. It's great fun. Always have a laugh every day. Barely any issues, and if there is any issues I know that I can go to Scott, my manager, or even Murray. Yeah, I mean they got me on my work gear, on my tools. We were doing a solar farm up in Dundee, so I'm staying up there for a couple of weeks. I've got my van that I use. Yeah, just the whole shebang really. Yeah, just keep progressing, get my gold card, which is like the final stage of become qualified, and then yeah, just kind of see what it takes me. But we done solar panels on a house in Melrose, and I was there from start to finish, from installing the solar panels and then doing all the wiring up and then the commissioning of it. And the customer was really lovely as well, which just made it for us. Just really enjoyed it.